Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today we are going to do a quick full body workout. 12 minutes is all it's going to take. We are going to work the upper body for 5 minutes, followed by the lower body for 5 minutes, and then we'll finish off with abs. This workout requires you to have a pair of dumbbells. I'm using 3 kgs, which is about 8 pounds. You can use something that's not too heavy but not too light either, something that challenges you but not too much. And we are going to do 12 different exercises, and we're going to spend a minute on each exercise. And this is a workout that you can do almost every day because it will work the full body and hit almost every muscle group. So let's get started. I'm going to put on the timer and then we'll begin. So the first move is bicep curls. We're going to need the dumbbells for this, and we're just going to curl and straight up. And a slow and controlled movement is great. It increases the time under tension for the muscle. So don't swing too much. Control is important. We're going to spend a minute here, and then we're going to move on to the next exercise. So keep going. This is great for the front of the arms. It'll help you develop the strength and chisel those arms out. All right. Keep going. Keep your abs tucked in. Keep your knees slightly bent. Don't lock your knees. Bending the knees is important. Okay, so that's the first move. Now the second move is for the shoulders. So we're going to get into a shoulder press, 90 degrees, and up, back down. Again, keep your knees slightly bent. Bending the knees prevents the pressure on the lower back. So that becomes important. Keep your abs pulled in. Posture is important. And if you need to rest, take a moment, take a break, put your arms down, but jump back into it. This is for the shoulders. So we're 2 minutes in almost, and we have 3 more moves for the upper body, and then we'll go to the lower body. All right, rest it out for a moment, rest it out. Next up, we are getting into back. So for the back, I'm going to turn, and it's just a pull. Straighten, pull. This will also help you with your posture, prevent the shoulders from hunching forward, the back from hunching forward. It's great to straighten out the posture. And again, for this one, keep your knees bent, abs tucked in and back as straight as possible, and squeeze as you lift up. Keep going. Keep going. Next up, we are going to move to the floor for push-ups and triceps. So this is the third exercise. Keep going, feel it in your back. All right, now you can put your dumbbells down. We are going to get into push-ups. You can do this on the knees or straight legs. That's up to you. So you can do this on the knees like this, or you can straighten it out like this. I'm going to do them on my knees today, and again, slow and controlled. Feel it in your chest muscles. The slower you go, the more you'll feel it actually. Pay attention to your breathing. Again, for this, keep your abs tucked in, keep them tight. All right, so on to the last move for the upper body. This is for the triceps. We're going to get into this position and just down and up. The movement comes from the arms, not the hips. It's not this, it's this. The first time I did this move, I was just using my hips. I was doing this. I didn't really know how to do it correctly. So, yeah. Keep going. I used to work out a lot in the gym, you know, spend a lot of time working out, an hour followed by cardio, and it would take me about 2 hours to get everything done. And then I realized that's not sustainable, you know. So that's when I realized that short workouts that we can be consistent with are important. So we're done with the upper body, now to the lower body. We'll start with my favorite exercise, the reverse lunge. And I love the reverse lunge because it works almost the entire leg muscle. It requires balance, and this was also something that was hard for me initially. But now I understand that control is important, and make sure your knee doesn't go over your toes, right? It's not this. No, don't do that. Keep it back, because if your knees go in front, it can cause knee injury. And reverse lunges are safer than forward lunges. That's why I like them a little bit more. The risk of injury goes down. So that's our 6th exercise. Now moving on to the next lower body. We're going to do a squat and we're going to kick. Squat, kick. Squat, kick. Now this is the part of the workout when we work the lower body that the heart rate, the breathing should start to go up. Our legs are the largest calorie burning muscles in the body. And when we work the legs, we activate large muscle groups, which means when you're at rest, you'll burn more calories. That's why the breathing gets a little worked up when you're working the legs. Okay, next up, we are going to work the inner thighs. So we're going to get into a wide squat position. Squat and up. See, I'm a little out of breath. That's why it's difficult for me to speak right now, but I'm still speaking. I feel it's more fun when we can talk and when we can, have fun while working out. That's something that makes time go by really fast, and the focus also stays on fun things. If you need a break, you can always take a break and then come back to it or pause the video. And all right, that's 3 done. On to the next one, and we'll get on the floor for this because we're going to work the glutes. And it's just kick, in, kick, in. So we're going to do the right leg first and then move to the left leg. The more you pull your knee in, the more your abs will get activated. So pull it in, feel your obliques, this, and then push it out. In, out. Actually, you don't need too much time to work out. Now I work out for about 40 minutes a day, and I stretch for about 10 or 15 minutes, and it works out well. All right, time to change legs. And then we just have 2 more minutes. 2 minutes of abs, and that's it. We're done. The full body done in 12 minutes. Now, if you want to add some cardio, you can always do some walking or some cross trainer, or go for a jog, or do one of my 10-minute cardio videos. So keep going. We're on to the last 2 minutes after this. That's all. All right. You know, working out also has a lot of benefits for the mood, and that's another reason I exercise every morning. Without exercise, I don't really feel that good. All right, next is abs. We're going to start in a plank position, okay? Plank. And we're just going to hold here. Holding the plank is one of the toughest things. It's an isometric hold, so the muscles are activated, but they are not moving. And sometimes it's the most difficult thing to do, just to sit in one place, hold one position. But we're going to try. We're going to try for a minute, and then we're going to get on our backs for bicycle crunches, and then that's the end. Yeah, so coming back to the benefits for the mood, exercise has shown to really improve mood and boost brain function. So exercise is not just physical, right? It also has mental and emotional benefits. I'm shaking a little bit. All right. Thank God for that. Onto your back. And now the last one. Back. And we're done, right? We're done. So that was our 12-minute full body workout. If you want more, you can always redo this entire video one more time or 2 more times. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. If there is a particular workout that you want me to make a video on, let me know and I will try to make it happen. Have a great day.